fuck me? How about fuck you?
Fuck, sake.
And crimp-safe security doors. Nepean Blinds and Doors has your home covered, inside and out. For a free measuring quote, visit the friendly team at 89 Buds.
Are you kidding me?
Like, the sex is not meant to go for 44 minutes. The average, if you average that out from 33
A big fucking van behind that car. Fuck me. Stop.
and eating disorder, social media will not be one of the first things you target at all.
But Dr. Maguire says targeted
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
I'm gonna post that one.
been released pending further inquiries.
Fuck you guys
The
are
federal
morons.
opposition has labelled the death of an Australian man in India from COVID-19 as tragic. The 59-year-old permanent resident died on Wednesday in a hospital in New Delhi, just 3 days into the travel ban, which Scott Morrison has promised will end on May 15. Labor's Penny Wong says it should never...
If you leave early on eligible AGL residential plans over 24 months, available where AGL operates. Fact sheets available at agl.com.au/VEF. Contact us on 131 245. T's and C's apply.
Dipshits who want to use the bus lane because traffic's not moving. Clearly states bus lane, but no, they're special. And said red-eyed runner coming up. And there he is. Bus himself. Does not fucking surprise me one bit.
Meantime, fresh COVID fragments have been found in the wastewater of 12
authorise ass.
Right onto Edinburgh Street.
Another one. It likes parking on the corner.
In 50 metres at the...
Straight through a red light. Oh, what's the bet? He's not actually turning left, he's actually going straight. Yep.
If your horse runs second or third, get up to $50 back in bonus bets with Sportsbet. Conditions apply and gamble responsibly. Now you're up to
You're an idiot, mate.
And Nick on Melbourne's 109
Really?
The Fox.
With a fucking trailer.
Melbourne's favourite cash contest.
Typical Muppet. Fuck it, mate. See who's fuckers on the road.
You fucking wanker!
Some more people with missing chromosomes want to be thrown screaming from a helicopter.
Get off the road!
Get off the road, you fucking idiot!
Dickhead!
Leave your heart and soul out on that field. Make them remember who you are. Make them scared to ever set foot on the field with you ever again. Make them remember who you are.
Three of yous.
Who you are.
Fucking idiots.
And count. Are you ready?
Fuck you! Fucking scumbag. Enviro group. Fuck off.
Nobody does it better.
What the fuck is this ass cunt doing? On the road, numbnuts.
Dallas Page, but we don't know. Before we play our last song this week, our final song this week, once again, thank you everyone submitting songs.
Idiot bus driver.
gmail.com. We appreciate parody songs. We might try one more time, boom, and pickle a guy or pickle Lola right in the face. And that.
We've got a three-way sodomy happening there. And I guess you would class this as sodomy too.
Even the internet works in space, right? Newlawoffice.com. But no medical malpractice in Nigeria. For anyone who thinks you're doing a bit, this is a legit thing. I'm not doing a bit. Yes, the point is to let everybody know you would love to help everyone.
but he is not admitted to the bar or whatever they have over there. You, I don't want to look at you. You know, you're with this place ain't big enough, but I want you off of my show. All right, I get that, and that's why for the match, if he gets one chance, and if he doesn't win,
Up the fucking road, you fucking wanker.
The big guy is green as a pepper tree. You can tell he's awkward and etc. But
fucking make your mind up, dickhead.
Steam can work.
Fucking wait. Where are you going? The fuck are you doing? Fucking retard. What an idiot. Well, there's Mazda up here. The second that it's no longer, this guy just wants to be in the right lane. Out of the way. Shit. Absolute idiot. Stupid woman.
Eagle 20. Box 2.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
What an idiot. What the fuck is that? Are you fucking helpless?
Motherfucker.
You can get a hand-painted portrait in about 3 weeks, whether it's yourself, your kids, your family, a special place, a cherished
What
pet.
is this dickwad doing? You're a super special, and this line in front of me is no fucking better. Bogan moron 97 ass hat hobo. Ah, shit. So, look at this fucking idiot right here. He's gonna pick me out. They always pick me out. Watch this fucking idiot. I really hope this prick behind me doesn't... Mate, don't even fucking attempt it. Look at this fucking wanker. I'm gonna put my indicator on. Don't let him in. Move up. Do not let him in. See what these pricks do? They're like predators. They come along and he stopped 4 times to try and see which driver does he think I can bully into letting me in. You're a fucking idiot.
You know, you're even more anal about these things than I am. I'm willing to let some things slide because either chronologically or whatever, because how do you tell these things in a short video format?
There's the reason you're there, you dickhead.
You are led to believe.
Look at this. Oh, it's an L-plater too. We've got a loner rider that's not allowed to lane filter, that going down the shoulder is not lane filtering, so that's also illegal, and it's really fucking stupid and dangerous to be jamming yourself in between vehicles and the concrete barrier.
And hug their kids. And that's what WWE does.
What a complete lug nut.
JR did a sit down. Remember how JR's sit down with Mankind changed the course of Mick Foley's career? Everybody else.
How many motherfucking cars want to fail to give way to the bus? This came up in a recent video about what the sign on the back of the bus means. people think it means you have to give way to a bus all the time whenever they put an indicator on and when they're changing lanes. This is, I discovered, is a myth going around. No, as you can see by the sign on there, it gives you an arrow of a bus being stationary, moving from the side of the road and into traffic. So the point of the sign, and there is an actual law for it, and I'll put it on the screen, is that you must give way to a bus that has pulled over and is dropping off passengers, that has that sign on it, we'll get to that in a minute, and is indicating, but they must follow the other law, which requires when you're stationary, before you pull back into traffic, you must indicate for 5 seconds. So that's not when changing lanes, only when coming from being stationary and moving back onto the road. Look at this fucking moron truck driver. What an absolute tool. I don't know who's a bigger idiot, this fuckwad truck driver who decides to fly over to the right lane for no fucking reason and now get overtaken, or this fucking idiot BMW driver.
He won the pony too. Thank you for Cuba. Thank you for Cuba. Thank you for Cuba. Thank you for Cuba.